Hello, sir. Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, very good evening. I am also fine. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
I'm good. And now it's a very long time we are meeting. That is our second time. Oh,
Yes, yes. Yeah,
aha. Yes, yes. Yes.
last few days, yeah, I watched so many video on your YouTube channel. Yeah, I observed that you have improved a lot, and nowadays also you are making with another person who are English trainer. Yeah, I watched that video. Yeah, and after watching your video, I have learned so many things.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, it's a very my privilege you are watching my videos because that time we connected first time. You know, I was not fluent. I was aware about this. I was not so much aware. So yeah, I did lots of practice about this. Oh, now I can say myself I am better than before because I have connected with the English Yari. So actually, after sitting down of Skype, then I was wondering where should I connect. So then I got to
Yes, yes.
English Yari, and now I got idea how to connect. Oh yeah, thank you for
Okay.
watching my videos, sir, and
Yes, yes.
welcome to welcome to Learn English with Seema, and I'm very happy to see you again.
Yes, yes.
So,
Yeah, I am very happy to connect with you. And ma'am, before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. So first of all,
yes,
please say something about you.
yes. Oh, yeah, my name is Seema, and I am a homemaker. I'm a teacher as well because now I have started teaching at home as a tutor of spoken English. And I dwell in Kanpur, UP. I have done PG as well. And if you want to know about you know about my YouTube channel because you are watching my videos. And now, if you want to know about my hobbies, there are so many hobbies. I'm a hodophile person, gregarious person, so I want to do so many things. So that's all about myself. And if you want to ask anything, you can ask.
Yes, yes. It is wonderful introduction right now from your side. And right now also
Yes.
you are learning this language. Being a housewife, you have a lot of work in your house. And right now you are learning as well as also you are running a YouTube channel. You are doing so many things. And how do you manage your time?
Yeah, actually, I do because that is my skill, that is my desire. I chose this line, so I have to get time because there's so many people say ki, I have learned so many things and I don't need to learn so many things because we are not going to do something outside. So if we think we are learning, then we have to get up level, not down level. If we feel कि we have crossed our degree and we can keep our degree in Almira, that is not okay. That is a language. So we have to learn every day, and after uploading videos, we can get chance to connect with the person. Now we are connecting like so we can get
Okay.
idea and yeah, we can say our improvement so I always get time. I always get time for practicing because if you are doing, then you have to get time. And that is a language. If we speak more, then we can get more fluency and knowledge. So yeah, I always
Yes.
try to get twice in a day for speaking and twice videos in a week. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's why also you have improved a lot. I observed that. And ma'am, right now also you are teaching few students. And nowadays, for teaching, what kind of method do you follow?
Yes, actually depend on students, whatever they have level. So we can say about beginner. So I always start with the tenses, grammar, because the grammar, very basic grammar, grammars are magic word because if they know how to make sentence, they can speak about their past, future, and present. So for that, I have to teach them grammar, sentences, and then something extra like active, passive, causative. There are so many things. So I always
Okay.
teach them according their level. And nowadays students are very clever, very smart. They know how to speak, but they don't have confidence. So we have to learn.
Yes.
As a teacher, we have to learn. So now I
Yes.
am getting this type of students. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am, to be honest, in my point of view, basic English grammar is important because I know very well during my study, I was very weak English subject. At that time, I could not write one sentence in English properly. And when I start my English journey, at that time, before speaking English, I had completed my grammatical rules. And at that time, I used to watch so many English grammatical video on the YouTube channel. Yeah. And after completing just 2 months, yeah, at that time, I can write properly. I could write properly. And I, in my point of view, basic English grammar is important. And right now also you are teaching few students, you are teaching English grammar. But I ask this type of question: is English grammar important only for speaking English? And many of the learners, many of the teachers, they always told me English grammar is not important for speaking English. But ma'am, what do you think? What do you think about the English grammar?
No,
Is
no,
it needed?
actually, yeah, because this is not our language. We have to learn. Actually, when we were children, so we used to learn matra in Hindi as well. We used to make
Yeah,
mistake, but we used to learn. We used to speak, not learn. Because if we are speaking after seeing other person, we can grab. But that is not our language because in India, very few people speak English. Hmm? So
yes,
we have to learn. Actually, if we don't know about past, how can make about past story? Hmm? If we don't know about future and present, how can we make a story? If we don't make a story, then we can't speak. Because if you are speaking and you are asking something about my childhood, then we have to use something past sentences. If we don't know, how can we use? Because if grammar is not important for that person who has been speaking since their childhood. But for us, we have to learn basic grammar. For beginner,
yes,
and
yes,
if you know how to speak English, then you want to learn something extra. Because nowadays
yes,
people are using new idioms and vocabularies and new grammar structures. So depend on time, actually depend on level, which type of level we have crossed. Because
yes,
initially I
yes,
used
yes.
to learn. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I replied at that time. I replied, yeah, basic English grammar is important because in my country, in my locality, there is no good English environment. That's why basic English grammar is important. And she asked me, yeah, and when you learn your native language at that time, did you learn the grammar of your native language? But I replied, yeah, I didn't learn our native. Grammar of our native language because there's a good environment of our native language. Yeah, that's why it is not needed. But if I say English, there is no good English environment at my house, in my locality. That's why basic English grammar is important. And now after learning English grammar, when you speak English, at that time you speak English correctly and perfectly. And without learning English grammar, when you speak English, maybe while speaking English, you make few mistakes.
Yes. So if we are doing mistake, so what's the need to speak? Because as a foreigner, if they always speak phonetically, they didn't learn because they have been speaking since their childhood. But in
Yeah.
our case, we have to learn. We can't speak. We can say this type of language uh, like if we go to Bihar, then we have to learn Bihari language as well. So that is a
Yes.
language. There are so many type of language. If we go to Punjab, then we have to adapt their language. We have to take time because if we are speaking, then we have to listen. If we are listening, then we have to give answer. So in this language, actually, very few people get idea and very few people have environment. But now we can say we have environment via social media. Hmm? So now
Yes.
we
Yes.
can speak, but when it comes to face speaking, then we have to think before speaking. Because when I go to my children's PTM, then I speak English, but I have to think. That is a physical speaking. Hmm.
Yes, yes. Actually, environment is very important. Yeah, and first of all, you have to think where do you live. If there is a good English environment, yeah, you can learn this language very easily without learning English grammar. Because one day I was watching one of the video. Maybe it was Goa, and there was a one sea beach, and it is tourist place. And at that place, every single day, many foreigners comes over there for traveling purpose. And at that place many person they are selling something. Yeah, they did not go to school. They did not go to school, but they are also speaking English very well. But how they learn this language? Because every single day they talk with the foreigner in English. Yeah,
Hmm.
there is a environment, good English environment. Yeah, after speaking English, right now also they are also speaking English very well.
Yes, you can say there's so many YouTubers. They actually have completed only 8th class. And now
Yes,
they are speaking English. You can say Jadu and Dehati ma'am. They
yeah,
are
yeah,
not so much educated, but they are getting money from YouTube channel. Oh,
yes,
they
yes,
have
you're
learned
right.
this language. Oh, we need environment, and now we can't say if we don't have environment. We have social media. Oh, if we feel confident, then we can start face to face. Hmm? Oh, for
Yes,
that,
yes.
we should have knowledge because we don't know which type of question we are asked. So we should be prepared of this. Yes.
Yeah, there are so many advantage of learning this language. I observed that after learning this language, Jodu Kispu, he is earning so much money from YouTube channel. And on the other hand, Notun ma'am, he is right now she is doing a job in the school. Yeah, and one of my friends, he is doing a job in in Dubai, and he told me, bro, I came here only for cooking. Yeah, in this company, but right now also I am being able to speak English little bit. But after speaking English right now, I got promotion in this company, and right now I am doing a job as a cashier in this company. Yeah,
Yes. So English language actually change our personality. If we know we know how to speak with a person, then we can get so many opportunity. So actually,
yes,
my one friend, she went to Bangalore, and after leaving, she hired one maid. She doesn't know how to speak English, but whenever she speaks with her maid speaks English. So then she
okay,
was telling me, Sima, now I'm facing very problem, so many problem because my maid speak English. I don't know how to speak English. I had to learn. So then I joined her in group, and now she is learning and she is speaking because her husband speaks English. So
okay,
it's
okay.
very difficult. We have to learn.
Yes, and
Hmm.
ma'am, right now also you are speaking English very well. I have watched so many video on a YouTube channel. But after learning this language, what kind of benefit you have got?
Yeah, I got so many opportunity now. I have started teaching. I'm getting money, and I have connected with so many YouTubers as well, trainers as well. Because that is a or opportunity, and that is a or privilege if people approach you. Hmm? Now, actually, I got so many messages, and this is my third videos. Hmm?
Okay,
So, yeah, and I got so many messages, and now I have started teaching, and I upload videos. So whenever I upload
okay,
video, I got so many messages from school as well. You can join my school. So there's
okay.
so many opportunity. So I can say now I'm improving, I'm speaking well. That is the reason people are approaching me. So yeah,
And every
I
single day, how many videos every single day you are making?
yes sir. Actually, depend on my time. Sometimes I have to go outside. I don't make video that time, and I don't upload daily basis video. I upload twice video in a week. Oh, I always try to make video whenever I get a message. Then I never deny to anyone. I always say कि you can record video because if I stay
Okay,
outside, then I never upload. I never say कि yeah, you I can't make video. I always say कि you can record video, you can upload. If I have time, then I will send you message. Oh,
okay, okay.
yeah, depend on time.
Yes. And how many application are you using for making this kind of video?
Yeah, sir, that is a GeoMeet and one Zoom application. Only two.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Two applications. Yeah, nowadays
Yes.
I am using this application as well as a Zoom application. Yeah, and you know very well in the Microsoft Teams there is no option for recording. That's why nowadays most of the learner they are not using that application.
Yes. Actually, Sky pushed us कि you can make video. But now after shutting down of Skype, people are confusing now where should we record video because we have team, but there is no recording options. So now we have GeoMeet and we can record video. After a few days, I got to know we can record video, but I got one laptop because I was connecting with the English area. Then I thought, now I spend lots of money, then I can upload video, this type of video people want to watch and they can improve their English as well. Then
Yes.
I bought
Yeah.
laptop and now I can connect with by Zoom as well and through this Zoom. Yes.
Yes, yes. Yeah, nowadays also for making this kind of video, I had to face a lot of problem because there is no one. And but before closing the Skype application at that time, every single day I used to make this kind of video, maybe four video, five video. At that time, I used to practice very well. But nowadays also, I always make this kind of video, one video. Yeah, but in the morning time, I go for morning walk. At that time, while walking, I connect with another person using the CV application. Yeah, at that time I talk with another person with audio call. In this way, also I am practicing right now.
But you are also working person. How do you manage your time? Because if you are uploading four video, three video in a day, so very difficult. We have to spend half an hour. Oh,
Yes, yes.
it's very difficult for you as well. How do you manage, sir?
No, I did not make every single day three videos or four videos. When I got the leave from my actually today I will go to the night duty. At the daytime I am free. Yeah, if I get chance, I make three or four videos. But there is no option. Yeah, there is no one.
Yeah. So, but now you are consistent because I have been seeing your video for a long time. You are so consistent. But
Yes, yes.
yeah, for working person, it's very little less comfortable. But you are
Actually,
doing. Are you getting money
yeah,
from YouTube channel? Because I have seen you have lots of subscriber. I think 5K to 5K
yeah.
subscribers.
But yes, money is earning from my YouTube channel, but I didn't get in my hand. Yeah, and money is earning. Yeah, and if there is a policy of YouTube, and after completing the $100, they will send the money to in my account. That's why that's why right now see it is increased day by day.
Okay, so we have to complete 100 videos.
$100 videos, no $100. You have to complete the $100.
Okay, I got to know we have to complete 4,000 watch time.
Yeah, I have completed 4,000 hour watch time. I have completed 1,000 subscriber. I have completed all criteria, and money is earning in my YouTube. Money
Account.
is earning. It is showing in my account, but I did not get in my hand because there is a policy of YouTube channel, and after completing $100, yeah, they will send.
Okay, yeah, you will get, don't worry. Because if you are getting in your bank account, then you will get at your hand as well. Yes.
Yeah, it will be good
Mhm.
when I will get the money. It will be good, but uh, I always practice. I, in my point of view, practice is the most important key, and I am very happy after learning this language. And every single day, yeah, I connect with another person who belong to another state, who belong to another country. That's why I am very happy. I am over the moon. Yeah, if I
Yes,
don't, if I don't get any money, yeah, there is no problem. Right now, also I am very happy after learning
yes.
this language.
That is a my. Actually, I'm also thinking I have to connect with the other person. That is also privilege because in this era, if we get money, that is okay. If we are not getting money, that is also okay. We can get a chance to connect with the person and we can improve our English and we can start like I started teaching, I started making videos, and we can say I can join any school as well. Hmm?
Yes, yes,
So there are so
yes,
many options we can do. Oh
yes.
yeah.
Okay, ma'am, it was a nice conversation with you. Yeah, we are talking
Okay.
around 20 minutes. Thank you for giving us valuable time. Yeah, I have learned so many things by
Thank
connecting with
you.
you.
Thank you.
And definitely next
Thank you.
time I will connect with again.
Yes. Yeah. If you want to connect, you can send me message. We will connect.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you.